Hey, Jocelyn with Wolters World, and this is kind of an experimental video. Everyone asks like what I pack, but a lot of people also ask how I pack. And so many people are really big into packing cubes, and these are actually compression packing cubes. And I very rarely use these. Sometimes I'll take one or two in case I buy things and I need to squish them into my suitcase. But I find that for packing 2 weeks in Europe in a carry-on, this isn't actually as good as like rolling your clothes, but we're gonna try it and we're gonna see if I can get all this stuff in. So what I've got some treats for our friend's daughter in Italy. I'm gonna visit them and she loves these things from the US, so I'm bringing them. I've got my makeup, and then I've also got like shampoo and conditioner and all those things in here. I've got exercise band. Let's hope that maybe I actually use that. And then I've got my straightener slash curling iron that is dual voltage, and I really love that thing, so it's going with me. The hairbrush, I have a black moto jacket that's going, a pair of tennis shoes, and then this Longchamp bag is foldable and it makes into this huge duffel in case I buy a whole bunch of stuff. And in January and July, all over Europe, it's the sale time, so there's a really good chance I'm gonna be doing some shopping. So in here I have got 4 tops, 4 bottoms, socks, underwear, a bra, what else have I got in there? 2 little handbags that can go in my regular bag if I want them to. There's not a lot of clothes here, but it's all stuff, you know, it's very little, but it's stuff that I really need to have. So we're gonna try to put it all in. So this big one is going in first, and it nearly takes up the entire space in here. So that, and then this little one, and then I think I can squeeze the shoe. Anyway, I'll just show you how all this is gonna hopefully go in. It won't all fit. I thought maybe I could squeeze this into the back, but maybe it'll go. I can't get this zipped. I am literally gonna bust the seams on this, and I love this suitcase, so we're not gonna do it. So it doesn't really work that way. We're gonna see if maybe I can make all of this fit by unpacking and repacking. Okay, here goes. We're just gonna take all of this apart and I'm going to put everything in the way I normally pack. I feel like if this were a couple small things, it might actually work better than if it's one big one, but we'll see what happens. I forgot I packed a dress. It's a big long turtleneck dress, so that's gonna take up a lot of space. But you never know. I always feel like I need to take a dress anyway. I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave my socks and underwear in this because I've got the space for it and it's kind of nice to have it. And now everything fits. This is a lot easier than the other way. So I still don't have a ton room. I got a little room in this, I guess. I could probably throw this in right there. So, in my opinion, sometimes it is easier to roll up your clothes and put them all in individually. I know it's not as organized and things, but everything fits in this bag, and I've got that extra duffel for whatever I happen to purchase while I'm traveling. And there's actually a little bit of space in here, and I could pull those things a little tighter, probably squeeze a couple things in there. So this works better for me than it does using compression bags. So there you go, just a little experiment in how to pack.